Whoa, hey guys, today I'm in my new decorated tea room and I'm going to show you the new foldable device from Moto. And this time we have the Moto Razr60Ultra Basswood special back panel edition. Yeah, as we can see, besides the special basswood back panel, the frame are also mantle colored, and this is the front side and unfoldable status. And it gets a 7.29 mm and weight 199 gram. And this time they use the 10-layer hinge design. It passed 800,000 times test. And also IP48 dustproof and waterproof. And for this special basswood special edition, I really like the natural wooden texture of the back panel. And also it's the Pantone special color of the ear. If we unfold it, it gets a 7-inch OLED screen and it's reached to 1.5K display resolution. And now we go to the settings. We can find more information of the device. So it's powered by Android 15, MyUI, and the processors use the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, 4 nanometers producing technology, and also they use the Android GPU. And also the 16GB RAM and 256GB ROM was powered by the LPDDR5X and UFS 4.0 RAM and ROM. This time Android scores can get around 2.5 million scores and also can keep a stable FPS after we played the Genshin Impact. And about the screen, this time it is supported 165 refresh rate. And if you go to the outer, the external screen is a 4-inch OLED side screen and display resolution reached to 1232 by 1080 and also support 165 refresh rate, and the big brightness is reached to 1708 and also can be adjustable and worked perfectly with over 2000 applications like the TikTok, Douyin, WeChat, and no need to go to the inside screen. And this is the camera about the phone, and you can use the volume button and touch the screen to take the picture with the outer screen. And here inside also support the wide angle zoom. Get a dual rear camera system, 50 megapixel main one, and it support OIS and 50 megapixel wide angle and the macro. It support 1:2 wide angle and 2 times optical zoom and autofocus, and also OIS supported. For the front camera, it's a 50 megapixel and the aperture is 2.0 and support AI beauty. And as well for the recording, it support 8K 30 FPS and 4K 30 and 60 FPS recording of the cameras. And here we can get some more information about the camera. So it have more here. We can check it. Yeah. Night vision, panorama, scan, time lapse, and log exposure. A lot of. And here's the camera recorder mode. So yes, we can test it. Yes, we can check more information about the camera and the video. And for this device, it also supports the live photo, dynamic image, and also it can suspend on any angle you're setting. This is pretty nice for front, selfie picture, and real skin or portrait picture. And also about the device, this time to provide a 4700 mAh battery with 68 watt fast charging, and it takes around 40 to 45 minutes to get fully charged. And also the standby time is reached increased 70% compared to the last generation. And here is the special case to provide. It's a very nice one, and it can be perfectly worked with the Moto Razr60Ultra, and this was a 2-part, and so it can well protect the back panel and also the outer screen, and also it's easy to be carried with Also this time they have a sling hole. Yes, so you can hang it to your bag or your trousers, so it's very nice to take it. And also this time the case is a nice case compared to the normal one, and this is a high-end one case, and the color is the leather material and also well protected. And also for this foldable device, I think it's a powerful AI functions was integrated to this phone. It have a independent AI physical button, and also it supports the gesture control. And for the AI can integrate it to the calling, to the translation, to the recognizing. So it's very powerful device in the market, and also maybe I think it can be the greatest of the year of the small size foldable device in the market. And also the Moto, they have a nice sales and good sales for the small size, and also they rank top 1 for the small size foldable device. And what do you think about device they released? And make a comment and let me know your thoughts. Here are more some pictures, and okay, I hope you can enjoy it. Let's extend the video for more pictures from here. Bye bye.